First question. How big does the brace have to be to keep the zombies out?
4.5.
Okay. Pythagorean theorem. Use your legs. That means that's A and B. 2 squared, 4 squared equals whatever the brace is squared. What's 2 squared?
4.
4 squared.
16.
Add them up.
20.
Now that's whatever the side is squared, so I have to take the square root of 20. Okay, so what is that as a decimal?
About 4.5.
About 4.5.
Yeah.
Label? Feet. All right, next question. So you have a trash can that's 7 by 9. And you want to know if a tray is 12 by 16 will fit in there. Well, so we could put our trash can or our tray in diagonally, but it better be less than 12 then. Okay, so what is 7 squared? 9 squared?
81.
Add it up. 130. And what is the square root of 130? Is it more than 12 or less than 12? 11 point something? So will it fit? 11 point something. So your answer is no, it will not fit. Yes? Sure. No, you did 8. Can I see yours?
Thanks for the beats over here.
Oh, I still got my music on? I'll shut it off. It's probably. All right, next question. All the sets, that will be true. That means if I take A squared and B squared, it's going to equal C squared. Which ones, or one, I guess, it does say all. Usually that means more than one. Will work. Georgia.
I got A and C.
I agree with C. I do not like A.
Okay.
No.
I don't think. Does A work?
8 plus 7 is 15.
Yeah, but that means this has to work. Otherwise, it's not a right triangle.
Alright.
If it just said triangle, yeah, you could add them. But it says right triangle. That means the Pythagorean theorem must work.
Never mind,
Pythagorean theorem's lame. I don't like it. I'm not a fan.
So is 49 plus 64, what's 15 squared? The 225? Is 49 plus 64? You have a calculator. Use it.
It is.
No? So that's why A doesn't work. Did anybody do that one correctly?
Oh yeah, I got B.
B works.
Oh, let's go. I guess I choose A
And D work. All three of those work.
Oh,
Right. And all of those.
Josh, you failed us.
All right, next one. Again, you guys came up with this problem. We got to figure out the missing part. So 3 squared plus square root of 8 squared equals C squared. 9 plus 8 equals C squared. So that means C is the square root of 17.
I did that one correctly.
Good. Question number 5. Which point, if you do the slope formula with 3, 5, will result in a negative number? Kellen. Correct. C is the only one. All right, how many times do you jump?
quite a few.
All right, so Noah jumps 40 times in a half a minute. Y equals 76x. They both jump for 2 minutes. All right, so let's look at Noah. If Noah jumps 40 times in a half a minute, how many times will he jump in 2 minutes? So
80.
how many half a minutes are in 2 minutes? 4, right? So I gotta take it times 4. So Noah jumps 160 times. Han has the equation. 78 times X minutes. So 76 times 2. Or 78 times 2. 156 minutes. Or not minutes, times. So who jumps more? Noah. How many more? 4. is correct.